Fox Valley Tech has been a big thing for the police officers in my community, which I do ride-alongs with.
He's a hands-on kid. So we started looking around at schools. A lot of the officers he rode with are like, go down to Fox Valley Tech. They have that academy program, which it's unreal. Bradley made a connection. He sent one simple email saying, I'm interested in your school, can I come look at your school? And then from then on, it just flowed smoothly.
I just fell in love with it immediately. Felt like I could just do so much here, have so much endless opportunities. The training facility here is just amazing.
The real life scenarios, the makeshift city that Fox Valley Tech provides, on-the-job training is very impressive.
The faculty are real life police officers who are now teaching in the classroom. I'm excited to go into law enforcement, get out there, do the job every day, and I think that I'd have the best education for Fox Valley Tech just from the staff, and it just felt like home here, and it was really neat.